Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet this cute and easy jellyfish. For this project you will need two colours. I'm using purple and white. You will also need a stitch marker and a tapestry needle and a 3mm crochet hook, something to cut your yarn with and some filling. So let's begin. So this project will start with a magic ring. And into this magic ring we're going to place 6 single crochets. Insert your stitch marker into the first stitch. Then make 5 more single crochets. Pull the tail to close the ring. We are going to work in continuous rounds, so don't slip stitch, but take your stitch marker out and we'll start round 2 with 2 single crochets in the first stitch. And place your stitch marker into your first stitch. Then we are going to continue with 2 single crochets in each stitch around, for a total of 12 stitches at the end of round 2. Round 3 will be 2 single crochets into the first stitch. Don't forget your stitch marker into your first stitch. Then it'll be a single crochet into the next stitch. So this is an increase as well, so it's 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, for a total of 18 stitches on round 3. Round 4 will be a single crochet increase in the first stitch, and then a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And you're going to repeat this all the way around, a single crochet increase and then a single crochet in the next 2 stitches, for a total of 24 stitches in round 4. Round 5 will start with a single crochet increase in the first stitch, then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And you're going to repeat this around for a total of 30 stitches in round 5. Round 6 will start with a single crochet increase, then a single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. And you're going to repeat this around for a total of 36 stitches in round 6. Round 7 is a single crochet increase, then a single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. Repeat this around for a total of 42 stitches in round 7. Round 8 and our last increase round, we start with a single crochet increase, then a single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. Repeat this around for a total of 48 stitches in round 8. Rounds 9 to 15, we are going to place a single crochet in each stitch around, keeping a 48 stitch count on each round. So that's a single crochet around for rounds 9 to 15. Round 16, we'll start with a single crochet decrease, which is a single crochet worked over 2 stitches together. For an invisible decrease, I use the front loops of the stitches I'm placing the decrease in. Then a single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. So that's a single crochet decrease, then a single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches for a total of 42 stitches in round 16. Round 17 will be a single crochet decrease, then a single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches for a total of 36 stitches in round 17. Round 18 will be a single crochet decrease, then a single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches for a total of 30 stitches. Round 19 is a single crochet decrease, then a single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches for a total of 24 stitches. When you finish this round, round 19, we are going to stuff most of it, so we don't have to stuff all of it when it's a smaller hole. I suggest stuffing it in smaller bits so it's easier for you to control where you put the stuffing inside. Don't stuff it too much, you want to leave yourself enough space so the hook doesn't get stuck in the stuffing. When you are happy with how it is, we're going to continue to round 20. Now in this round we're going to use the back loops only. If you're not sure what the back loops are, if you look at your stitch, the outer one is the front loop and the inner one is the back loop. And we're going to use the back loops only for this round. So we're going to make a single crochet decrease, then a single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And we're going to have a total of 18 stitches in this round. Round 21 is a single crochet decrease, then a single crochet in the next stitch, using both loops as normal. At the end of this round you should have 12 stitches. When you finish this round, we are going to finish stuffing it. So you fill it up until you're happy with its firmness. Then we'll continue to the next round. Round 22, we're going to make a single crochet decrease 5 times. Now we're going to cut a tail for sewing and we're going to close him off. You can get your needle now. We're going to weave the tail through the stitches at the top to close him off, and then we are going to sew the tail through the piece. Then I'm going to weave the tail through the body a few times, just to make sure it's secure enough. Then I'm going to cut the tail. And that's his body done. Now we're going to move on to making his frill. And we're going to use those front loops that we left. So take your yarn and find your first stitch. Make a slip knot on your new yarn. Then attach it to your piece by pulling it through the stitch and making a chain to secure it. I like to make a knot just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Then we're going to place 4 half double crochets into the next stitch. So for the frill, it's going to be a pattern of slip stitch, 4 half double crochet, and then slip stitch. Each frill shell is worked over 3 stitches. There's a 4 half double crochets, then a slip stitch into the next stitch. So we just did our new slip stitch for the next frill, then 4 half double crochets into the next stitch, then a slip stitch into the next. So you're going to repeat this around for a total of 8 frills. Just finishing my last frill with a slip stitch, frill or shell or wave. Then I'm going to close it with a slip stitch into the same stitch where we attached the yarn at the beginning. Then I'm going to pull the tail through the loop and cut myself some extra so I can weave it in. And then I'm going to tie a double knot with those 2 tails. And then I'm going to weave it through the piece and cut the yarn. And now we're going to make the curls. We're going to make 2 of each colour. So take the same colour yarn and make a slip knot. Leave yourself some tail because we're going to use those. We're going to just cut them into all the same length. And we're going to work it straight onto the body. We're going to do the main colour one opposite the other, and then the white opposite a white. And I'm going to attach that onto the second round from the frill. Pull the yarn through the stitch and make a chain. Then I'm going to tie it, just a single knot. Then I am going to chain 30. You can make yours as long or as short as you want. When you've chained your 30 or however many you decided to make, we are going to skip the first chain and we're going to make 2 single crochets in each chain stitch all the way down to the body. So if you're like me and you chain 30, you are going to end up with 28 stitches. finishing my last 2 single crochets in the last chain stitch. Then I'm going to pull the tail through and cut it off. And with the tail from the beginning, I'm going to make a double or a triple knot just to make sure it's secure, because we're not going to tie those tails in, we're going to leave them as a part of the jellyfish's tail. And we're going to cut them all into the same length when we've finished making all the curls. So your second purple one's going to be right at the opposite of the purple one you just made, and then the white ones, or whatever colour you choose to use, is going to be opposite each other. And leave your tails, and we're going to cut them all at the same time at the end. Just tying off my last curl. You want to make sure that all your curls are twisted nicely and they're not looking weird. Then we're going to grab all the yarn tails together, and we are going to cut them all into one length. Keep in mind that the curls, if they get pulled on, they are going to get longer. So you might want to cut your yarn tails a bit longer, like a ½ an inch or something, longer than the curls. And that's it, your jellyfish is done. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.